He just locked me in. Yeah, the plants are kind of kicking his butt right now. Alright, so Matt's music is in the background still, but anyways, before we go, we decided just to get some things, load up. I got my backpack on, and we're gonna head to the old school in our town, and we're gonna go to my house for a little bit, so now we're, oh gosh! Okay guys, so we're headed to my house right now.
I want to see this dude.
Matt just littered.
I did not. It's an apple core. Look.
He just
Over an ant.
He just littered.
Well, enjoy it.
Well, whatever. It's still littering in my heart. So Matt just caught me. I threw an apple too, and I'm guilty for littering.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be in there anymore. And
we were never been in there.
Actually, yeah, no. But we were thinking about it. But we were at this place. I'm gonna blur that out totally. So I decided to change camera angles. I realized that the last camera angles were just horrible. Like, I was down here, like, what the heck? Like, seriously.
Johnny, show us your shirt. Realize it's just a big walking free ad for Calvin Klein.
We're not a sponsor. Make sure to check the song out on SoundCloud.
Whoa.
Oh!
Yeah, that's like...
Yo, we almost got hit by a car. That was, I don't know if y'all saw that. Alright, so now we're gonna play just a little snippet. Alright, go ahead and... This is my new song. It's a remix of a original song. Well, it is. It's sampled, so it counts as mine. Here, let's get it to the microphone. One stop by places. Back roads are the only way. 6 guys on the field. Ain't enough room. Snippet of another song I made. Remember, go check it out. And the speaker's kind of distorted. Well, see, the inside of the school is fine. It's just the outside. It kind of needs some remodeling. And here's a part of the school. It's the front part, right? Is this like where everybody used to enter? Because I haven't been here my whole life, so. Yeah. This guy has, pretty much. So, I don't know if y'all can see like through like the window here, but this is the inside of the old school. Oh, this is a nice dog. No, Matt, this dog ain't nervous. Hey, dog. See, this dog just loves Matt. We found an alien blaster.
I think it's broken, though.
It's a broken alien blaster. It was right there. That is the tornado shelter right there.
I dare you to go down it.
No, I'm not going down that. That'd be creepy. No.
It's like the meaning of a cult.
Yeah, Matt was the smart one that decided to wait. What? There's a light switch?
It's been on.
It was on?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, yo, this is creepy.
Hey, turn it back on.
Turn it back on? Alright, I'm gonna turn it back on for Matt. Okay, whatever. Holy crap. Yo, this is epic.
Meeting or a cult meeting or something.
Exactly.
The only thing is it would be a pentagram on the wall. Yeah, tell somebody that they forgot to lock this place.
Yep. He just locked me in. Okay, so I just looked back at the video, and there was a very weird coughing noise in the background. And Matt claims that he didn't cough, so this is creepy. Matt's having a good time here.
This is better than any carnival ride.
Yep.
Fucked up my own eye with my...
And there's a shovel just sitting here because it wants to. Oh, no, So Matt claims that he didn't cough. So I don't know what that noise could have been. That pretty much sums up the video. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like, subscribe, and peace out.